The PL dot refresh, or the return to the PL dot, very simple. When price gets a long way away from the PL dot, it will return. Gets a long way away, it will return to the PL dot. It gets a long way away, it will return to the PL dot. It gets a long way away, it will return to the PL dot. The PL dot can push, but when price gets a long way away, it returns to the PL dot. It returns to the PL dot. It's a very, very important pattern. We will see this again and again in the course. This, in fact, will become one of the hearts of our methodology. It's really central to our thinking, and we put a lot of emphasis on it now and a lot of emphasis on it later in the course. So listen up when we talk about return to the PL dot or PL dot refresh. More often we call it the PL dot refresh. When we talk about the PL dot push, it's easy to think of these as stepping stones with the market resting on each of these PL dots as it moves on up. But we want to think about the refresh also. When the market is a long way away from the PL dot, it will want to return. When it's a long way away from the PL dot, it will want to return. The market will return to the PL dot, and the PL dot will push it up. The market gets pushed up to this point, and then it returns to the PL dot. The market gets pushed down to this point, and then it returns to the PL dot. The PL dot push, the PL dot refresh, they're constantly active in the market. You'll always see PL dot pushes and PL dot refreshes. PL dot push is when the PL dot pushes the market away from it in one direction or the other. The PL dot refresh is when the market comes back to the PL dot to check out the energy of the crowd and to see which direction it will push in next. You're going to learn how to trade these patterns. We're going to teach you how to trade this, and that's how you make your money. It's a very fundamental concept, and we'll spend 30 lessons developing this in great detail so that you can rely on this pattern to make money in the market. We want to explain something about this PL dot. We know how this pushes up. We've talked about that. We want to explain about this live dot. When the market strongly trends, it will come back. This is returning to the PL dot, but it's not returning to this dot, which is the static PL dot. It's returning to the level of the next day's dot, which is the live dot. Similarly here, this market is returning to the PL dot, but it's returning to the level of the live dot. The live dot is tomorrow's dot in formation during today, and it exists at this level, the level of tomorrow's dot. So the live dot for this bar is set by this PL dot. This is a phenomenon that's particularly important in strong trending markets. Just a little bit more detail on this question of the live dot. As we saw, the live dot for this bar is right here, which is tomorrow's bar in formation. This area between the live dot and the static dot is an area of PL dot refresh. If the bar returns to this area, anywhere in this area, then the market has achieved PL dot refresh. Thus we see this bar comes back down. It comes to the area between the live dot and the static dot. That's the area of PL dot refresh. There'll be lots more on this later in the course.